Experiencing static or hissing from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max speaker while charging? This issue often arises due to electromagnetic interference, or EMI. The most common culprits are non certified chargers, faulty cables, or debris in your USB C port. Start by using Apple's MagSafe wireless charging as a reliable workaround. If you need wired charging, use only Apple certified USB C cables and 20-watt USB C adapters. Visually inspect your iPhone's USB C port for lint, dust, or bent pins, which can disrupt proper connections and amplify EMI. Clean the port gently with compressed air, ensuring no damage to the pins. Avoid using excessive force or sharp objects. If basic steps don't resolve the noise, ensure your iPhone 17 is running the latest iOS version, as updates like iOS 18.2 include EMI-reducing power delivery optimizations. Resetting your iPhone's charging settings by navigating to Settings, General, Reset. Reset all settings can sometimes clear software glitches causing the interference. As a preventative measure, prioritize MagSafe charging or invest in premium third-party cables from brands like Anker, known for superior shielding and adherence to strict certifications. User reports suggest that Apple's 27-watt adapter is less prone to EMI than higher wattage non-Apple adapters. Note that screen protectors might also affect port alignment. If problems persist, contact Apple support. Your iPhone might have a hardware flaw in port shielding.